Hey guys, it's JMO, and I just wanted to show you my latest tool in my arsenal that I'm going to be using this coming spring when all my damn snow melts and my damn ground thaws. I can get out and do some metal detecting. This looks a lot like a Garrett Pro pointer, but it is not. It is in fact a Garrett THD, which stands for Tactical Handheld Detector. There's a few differences between this and the Pro pointer. First of all is the price. If you're looking at comparing brand new Pro pointer to brand new THD, the Pro pointer, we all know, everybody's got a lock price pretty much at $127 and change. This one here, brand new, varies a little bit. It's a little bit more specialized piece of equipment. Actually not even designed for the metal detecting hobby. It was designed for security, police officers and things of that nature, for like body scanning, you know, a small handheld device they can keep on your tool belt, for nightclubs or schools or whatever. So these things are technically, well, they're sort of priced more towards a government contract kind of thing. So they go for anywhere from $160 to $200, brand new. Obviously, if you guys know me well enough by now, I did not pay that. I did not pay half that. I got it on eBay. It's obviously used, you know, still works, but it is used. It's going to probably look worse, a lot worse than this the first time I'm done with it. The other thing you'll notice is that there's no speaker hole in this unit anywhere that you would need to cover up to rinse this off. That is because there is no speaker in this. It does not make sound. It is totally silent, besides the vibration motor that is built into it. So we turn it on with this button. You saw the green light and the red light at the same time, and I felt a small vibration. That tells me that the unit is on. Now anytime we get near metal, okay, the red light comes on, and it in fact vibrates. Okay, this little heater I have next to me is made of metal, so that's why it's going off right now. The other thing that is different from the Pro pointer versus this is if I get to something metal, let's say this, and I don't move, it stops vibrating. It requires movement, but look, very, very little movement is what it requires. So even on a titanium ring such as this, okay, we can get, you know, pretty good detection on it, over it. Okay, so you can see the lights. That's the titanium ring right here. So if you're scanning around in your hole, you're going to be moving. It's going to detect it. It's very sensitive for movement. So I mean, if you just had a cup of coffee and have a little bit of the shakes, it's going to detect it. It's not that big a deal, you know. So even if I touch it, eventually it goes off, but it just takes a little tiny movement to keep it going. So, and last feature on this that's different than the Pro pointer, you'll notice that there's no LED on the side pointing down the shaft to go into your hole. That's because it's right here. Okay, and this button turns it on, and you let go and it turns it off. So it's a momentary button. Again, it's for the security world, so that the bouncer at the strip club is going to check your ID. He's going to check your ID with the flashlight, read it, and then he's going to scan your body for guns and tanks and bazookas. So again, LED light there, pretty bright. Push it button when you need it, and it'll look down the hole for you. You know, scan. It's going to pick up metal. And the other good thing about this, being that there is no speaker hole to cover when you rinse it off, it is 100% waterproof. Okay, you could, according to the instructions, according to the manual, you could drop this in a lake, in a river, in a stream, in a mud puddle, and you don't have to worry about it getting waterlogged. It's the same as the Pro pointer in this aspect. as where the battery goes and all that stuff. And again, you know, you have a nice O-ring with a seated fit in here where the battery goes. Same idea. So once you get the battery in, this O-ring, and you can, that's a real snug fit. Put that all the way on there. And there is no other spot on here for water to penetrate. I have my suspicions a little bit, I guess, about water getting in where the LED is, but there's supposed to be an O-ring behind that to seal it from the back side. And again, they say totally waterproof, totally weatherproof. This would be like a all-terrain pinpointer. And again, it is silent. It's vibration and light only. So when you see that red light, that means it's detecting metal. It's vibrating in my hand whenever you see that red light. So there it is. The Garrett THD Tactical Handheld Detector. Thanks for watching.